Hello and welcome everybody to another one of our live videos. Today we're going to talk about the 5 steps that you need to do to scale your accounting practice. So welcome everybody, I'm Fanie Naude and I'm the CEO of BuzzNet Direct, where we scale accounting practices to 7 figures, or at least we try to help the accountants that they can scale their accounting practice to 7 figures. So as always, please give us a like or a comment if the sound and everything is working, if the video feed is coming through well and so forth. So please, even if it's after the broadcast and you watching it after the fact, please give us a like or comment. We always appreciate it. It gives us a little bit more reach with the Facebook algorithm. So let's dive right into today's training video or live video. We want to talk about a little bit more about the 5 steps to scaling your accounting practice. So today's video is especially for the accountants that is having high turnovers but do not have much profit, or even no profit for that matter. The accountants that feel that they do not really have the right type of clients. They feel they're working themselves to death and barely gets paid, or just they're absolutely miserable with their current clients because it's too much work. Then for the accountants that has been constantly searching for new clients and they just don't seem to get new clients, they don't know how to do marketing, they don't know how to sign up those new clients. And then finally the accountants that feels that they are not salespeople and they really do not like doing sales, or just can't seem to sign up new clients even when they get them on the phone. So let's just be honest, accountants are extremely good at accounting, but when it comes to marketing and finding new clients, signing them up, and getting those ideal clients for their practice, and then finally practice management, they're not so great at those. So that's where we fit in. We really try to help in that regard. So let's dive right into today's training of the 5 steps. So the first one is, I've been talking about this for months on end now, but it's the most crucial one of all, is you need to pick a niche. You need to pick a niche. A niche is a specific group of people with a specific problem that you can solve, basically. So if you're an accountant, you just pick a niche with a specific group of people with a specific problem that you can solve. So you target those people specifically. And step 2, structure your service delivery. So basically you want to structure your service delivery exactly to that problem that you are solving. That is the most important thing. Nothing more, nothing less. Just solve their problem for them. That's the important thing. Just structure your services to solve that problem that your niche has. And finally, number 3, structuring your messaging. So this is going to be your marketing message. Marketing message need to speak directly to your niche. So basically, they want to hear your offer, and it needs to be irresistible for them in their ears. So basically, you want to say your messaging and they just feel, yes, that's me, I have that problem, and yes, you're great at solving that problem, I want to hire you. That's exactly what you want your messaging to accomplish. And step number 4, you want to sharpen your sales skills. So you want to be able to sign up a new client with one phone call of 45 minutes. That's all you need. No back and forth messaging and proposals here and proposals there, and 2 months later you still haven't signed up the client. No, you want to be able to sell them in one phone call. One 45-minute phone call is all that is necessary. Then number 5, finally, when you sharpen all your skills and strengthen your foundations of your practice, you want to do organic marketing. So you want to do organic marketing, so finally you want to put your marketing message in front of your niche. You want to see what happens, see if they actually respond well to this. Then you want to get a few new clients with organic marketing. Organic marketing is just marketing that does not cost you money. So if you're just messaging people and talking to people, that could be a form of organic marketing. So you want to test your messaging. You want to direct outreach to people and see, are they responding well to your message and your offer. So do some organic marketing. Then once you actually have that proof of concept, step number 6 is start automating your marketing and start automating your service delivery. So that's finally where you really start to scale. You first need that proof of concept, and then you scale your practice with automation. You want this marketing system in place that constantly delivers you more clients, and then you want your service delivery to be as smooth as possible, that you can just do the service delivery without that much time of yourself that you're consuming. So if you do these steps, if you do these 6 steps, I know I call it 5 steps, so there's always more that you need to do. If you do these 6 steps in sequential order, there's no other possible outcome than your practice getting exponential growth. That's what you want. You want exponential growth in your practice, and this is what these 6 steps actually get you. So today, I've been talking about this for a few weeks now, is I want to launch my 5-week online training program. So if you've heard these few steps, pick a niche, structure your service delivery, structuring your messaging, sharpening your sales skills, do organic marketing, and then finally automate. These are the exact things that we teach you in our online 5-week online training course. That's the exact stuff we teach you. We teach you step by step, every single process, very practically, what to do, how to do them. That's exactly what we do in the 5-week online training program. So basically that is what we're launching today. It's finally finished. We finally sorted out most of the kinks and so forth. So we're actually going to open it now for only 5 spots. Only 5 spots for this online training program is going to open now, because I'm going to offer you consulting along with the program, because at the end of the day, I want to see your progress. I want to help you where you get stuck. I want to really be there to help you for every step of the way as you progress through this program. So I really don't have the time to spend on more people at this stage. So I'm only opening 5 spots, and this 5 spots is only going to be open for 2 weeks, because I don't want to be promoting myself and my program the whole time. I actually want to be delivering free value. This is only going to be for 2 weeks. 2 weeks I'm going to open this 5-week program, and then if you miss that chance, I'm sorry, it's going to have to wait at least like a month before we open it up again for a few new spots, because we don't want to be promoting ourselves the whole time. We want to provide value. That's at the end of the day what we really love doing, is we love providing value for the accountants. So let me just be clear. This is not for the people that do not want to take responsibility in their own practice and take the responsibility for growing and improving it. So this is just not for the people they don't want to put in the time and the effort. So if you do not want to put in the time and the effort for your accounting practice and wanting to make it scale and wanting to make it grow, then sorry, this is just not for you. And this is not for the people who just want to lie back and let everything be done for them. This is a training course. So it's going to train you how exactly you need to improve your practice. It's going to be step by step, very practical. But at the end of the day, you can't just lie on the couch and think your practice is going to grow. That's just not how the world works. Then finally, if you're not willing to invest in the success of your practice or in your future, why should anybody else? So you should be wanting to invest in that success of yours. So if you're actually interested in this online training course, I can tell you now that we have 5 spots open, and I want to offer you some free consultation sessions. So in the description of this video, there's going to be a link to schedule a call with me. Basically, we're going to dive deeper in how exactly that we can help you scale your practice. So there's going to be a link in the description, and you can schedule a call with me, and then we can see how quickly we can fill up these 5 spots. So it's going to be 5 spots for 2 weeks. If the 5 spots fill up before the 2 weeks are over, I'm going to announce it. It's going to be closed. We're not going to take on any more accountants for this 5-week online training course. So yeah, that's basically what we wanted to talk about today. You should remember the 6 steps for scaling your practice. First, you need to pick a niche. Second, structure your service delivery. Third, structure your messaging. Fourth, sharpen your sales skills. 5, do online marketing or do organic marketing. And then 6, finally, automate your practice, the service delivery and the marketing. So that's what we want to talk about today. I'm going to be promoting this 5-week online training course throughout these 2 weeks until those 5 spots are filled up. So thank you everybody for tuning in. There's going to be another live video next week, Monday at 12 as per usual. So thank you everybody and enjoy your week.